Can we please stop doing this immediately? Have you ever been told to just be more confident? How did it make you feel? Now, this is a personal perspective of us at and it's something that we challenge and question our clients on, because telling people to be confident drives us bonkers. Now, let's explain why. The dictionary defines confidence as complete trust or belief in the powers or of a person or thing. Now, notice, confidence relates to belief in something, and therefore we believe the problem with confidence is it's misused in business where people demand it and it has massive lasting negative effects. Let me give you a personal perspective. I'm an introvert. Hi, Debbie Halls-Evans here. Now, a lot of people don't think I am, but I can use my confidence personally in the situations that I want to. Confidence is personal, it's internal. What happens is many of us give permission to others to take away our confidence. So I ask you to keep confidence away from the demands of others. It's not extroversion and people jumping around telling everybody how fabulous they are. Ponder your intention of why you've asked somebody to be more confident. Share with us your thoughts. What do you think about confidence and how do you manage yours?